Fawn Injo. I'm a fourth-year chemical engineering major here at the University of Florida. I got into the rapping scene. I built Injos when I was in 12th grade, and I began taking my dad's computer to school and just making beats on Fruity Loops. Actually, I was making it on GarageBand at the time when I had the Mac, and then I transitioned to Fruity Loops about my freshman year over here at UF, and ever since I've just been making beats all the time, making songs and everything like that. My musical influences would definitely be Kanye West, Alicia Keys for the soul, J. Cole for the rhyme scheme and the flow. Those three would be my musical influences. One of the showcases I performed at, the speakers weren't working right, so we couldn't get the music to play through, so we kind of lost the feel, the energy and everything, and the crowd was kind of out of it. But we ended up being able to freestyle and just have like a good 15-minute freestyle session where we got the crowd involved and everyone was kind of hyped over it. So, I mean, my thing is with performing, I like to bring in crowd participation. So when we were able to do that and get the crowd involved, they almost felt like they were part of it, and they appreciated the fact that it was, you know, homegrown, it was very natural, and it was obviously not rehearsed or staged. So they you know, saw the talent in our craft a little bit more than they would if we just performed pre-rehearsed songs. At the end of the day, whatever you're doing, when you put your mind to it, if you believe it's for you and you believe that's your purpose, then it will end up happening. You'll end up prospering whatever you're doing. So it's gonna be tough. It's not gonna be something that you can do overnight. You're not gonna drop a song and everyone's gonna like it. It's actually gonna take a little bit of time for people to start respecting your craft and to actually appreciate what you're doing. So just stick with it and understand those things, because once you do that, in the meantime, you continue to sharpen and perfect whatever you're doing and whatever you feel like is your purpose. And as soon as people start following through with it, then they'll realize that you are serious about what you're doing, whether it's a year later or most likely 5+ years later, and you'll find yourself in the position you want to be in.